And now I've got to wait to see what you want me to do next. Can't see. Can't see. Finally! Wait time is over, and now I can read and execute the next instruction. I guess patience really pays off.
Okay, I'm just gonna pause it there. So we are gonna do a quick recap as always. So as a note, every unit of a wait block is in milliseconds, so meaning that you would have to multiply the number of seconds by 1000 to get the number of milliseconds, or in simple terms, the number of milliseconds is equal to 1000 times the number of seconds. So in the video here, I think it said something about waiting 2 seconds, and it's the same as 2000 milliseconds. So milliseconds is just 1000 seconds. It's a more accurate, I should say, kind of unit compared to seconds. So video recap again, as always. This is going to be very short though, just like barely a slide. So basically, we are introduced with a new block, a wait for blank milliseconds block. So basically, this block tells the robot to wait just whatever amount you want of milliseconds, or just 0.001 or a thousandth of a second. So this means that for the amount of milliseconds, like this note here, you would have to multiply the amount of seconds you want to wait by 1000. So like in the video, if you wanted to wait for 2 seconds, you would have to wait for 2 times 1000, which is equal to 2000 milliseconds. And milliseconds usage is just going to be ms, and seconds is going to be s. So I'm too lazy to type milliseconds like the entire, wait, shoot. Hold on.
Recording in progress.
Okay, sorry, I forgot to record. So it's going to be 2000 milliseconds, and milliseconds is ms again. So mission 1 is going to be named measure, and this mission and lessons around the point of where you have to start measuring most of the distances for yourself rather than having to depend on explore mode. Like in Adventure Peak and the Frozen Island, it gives you a lot of the information that you need. And then the first of the platforms measure in mission 1, it measures 5 meters as shown in the image on the left. And then the second part measures 3 meters. So our pseudocode would be like drive forward 5 meters and then turn right to face the target, and then driving forward 3 meters, and then our program would look something like this. And then mission 2, wait. This mission's already covered in the video, so I won't really explain. I'm just going to give you all a minute to do this. It should be like a piece of cake for now. So 1 minute. I mean, the explanation is already on the slide, but just a minute for you to just actually run and complete the mission. So you have until 2:15 for this. Okay, that's time. Like I said, we already covered this. So basically, as a just discussion and some audience interaction, who's watched Star Wars before? Pretty sure a lot of you know Star Wars. But who's like watched it, or at the very least know what happens in it?
I never watched it.
But do you know it? Like, like those
I
more
know it,
famous.
but I never watched it.
Okay, okay. Anyone else? Okay, taking that as a no. Basically, in Star Wars and a lot of other fantasy worlds, in fact, players, or not players, I mean like in games players, but in movies and fantasy worlds, as in Disney, a lot of characters or people in there, or maybe even creatures, they can just teleport from one place to another magically. Like if this was a fantasy world, the world we live in, then you would be able to teleport from your house to my house just like in less than a second, and that wouldn't be very realistic in the world as we know it. So in real life, what happens is because of physics, it takes time to move an object from one place to another. Like if you were to carry your computer, uh, or actually if you were to carry this book from, if you can see it, I mean, if you were to carry this book from where you are right now to your bedroom to study, it's gonna have to take time because one, wait, you can't hear me? Can anyone else not hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, then Ryan, I think that's just
I can
you.
hear you.
Yeah, okay, then I think Ryan, that's just you. You might want to
I can hear
ask.
you now.
Okay, you can hear me? Okay, good. So basically what's gonna happen is it's gonna have to take time. I'm just gonna recap in case what you didn't hear. If you were to move like this humongous book from where you are right now to your bedroom to study it and read it, so what's gonna happen is you're gonna have to use force to carry this like 2 pound book from here to your bedroom, and that's gonna take time. So basically, it takes time to move from one. Okay, yeah, Alan. It's gonna take time.
Is that
What?
a book from LPS?
Yeah, that's a book from AOPS. It's a pretty popular book though. Well, yeah. So basically, it's gonna have to take time, and then this is gonna be the code as just demonstrated before. And then we're gonna move on to mission 3 now, which is gonna be named Measure Your Weight. So this is like a combo between the mission of the like of the previous 2 missions. So you're gonna have to use a weight block. You're gonna have to measure the distance, and then yeah. So all of the distance needed are gonna be measuring 2 meters. So anything here that you don't know is probably going to be measuring 2 meters. And that's just a hint. You're going to do this yourself first, and then we're going to go over it. So it's going to take approximately 3 seconds for the 2 block long bridge to slide into place. So the weight block should measure 3,000 milliseconds, and that's another hint for you. Actually, that's a pretty big hint. So I'm going to give you like 2 minutes, I believe, or maybe 3 minutes if for you to do this on your own. Twenty. Okay, I'm having some technical difficulties. Hold on.
Recording stopped.
This would be 2 meters. This would be 2 meters, or almost 2 meters, and this would be around 2 meters as well. So basically, like I said, the wait for 3,000 milliseconds. You're gonna have to turn right to face the button, drive forward 2 meters, drive backward 2 meters, and then turn left to face the original starting position. But now the bridge is going to be starting to form, right? So you wait for 3,000 seconds for the bridge to form, and then you start driving forward 2 meters to like turn to this platform, kind of. You know what? So you're going to drive 2 meters to face this platform, and then turn left to face the target, and then drive forward 3 meters. Or actually, that's 3 meters. But otherwise, yeah, that's pretty much how you complete the mission. And spiral right. Mission 4, spiral right. It's gonna be your turn for now. You're on your own for this time. No hints, no anything. You'll be fine. You have like 5 minutes before we discuss the mission together. So yeah, 5 minutes until 2:27. Oh yeah, it's a very small hint. Think about the title, spiral right. What does it might hint? Oh yeah, and always if you're done and you're just waiting for other people to finish, you can always take like a short water break um, until it's time at least. So yeah. Ryan, you have your hand raised, or is that old? Just okay. I don't know what's going on. Okay, yeah, Ryan. I think you're just having a few technical difficulties. I heard someone complete it. Okay, yeah. So if you're done, like I said just a few moments ago, you can go take like a break. Yeah. Okay, I think that's time. So basically, discussion, the only thing you can do here is to repeat the same code 4 times. So it's gonna look something like drive forward, turn right, wait for 2 seconds, drive forward, turn right, wait for 2 seconds, drive forward, turn right, wait for 2 seconds, and then drive forward. So now let's have like a bit of audience interaction. What do you think of this mission? Like any thoughts about it? Just anything. What do you think? Yeah, Alan?
You could just use a repeat block since like there's a lot of things repeated. Drive forward 4, turn right, wait for 2,000 milliseconds, and then you can repeat it 4 times. Since
Okay, yeah.
whenever you hit the target, it'll just stop you. So you can just repeat this 4 times.
Okay, yeah. So
Three,
that's
4.
basically what's gonna happen. This mission is very boring to code. Uh, what's gonna happen is you can, just like Alan said, you can use a repeat loop. Uh, I think he's already ahead. Yeah, very easy, Roger, very easy. Basically, a repeat loops just repeats, of course, like its name suggests. But yeah. Now, the boring way to do the mission is just like many of you have mentioned, or only one of you have mentioned so far. This mission is unmistakably very boring to code. So the same code could be repeated 4 times, and that could be very boring indeed. So just like a programmer might be asked to print like something like "Hello World" in 3 different languages 100 times, of course they won't do something like this. This is the stupid way, okay? So it's going to be like, uh, "Hello World, hello world, hello world, hello world," and then dot 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 100 times, and then print hello world, dot 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 100 times, and then print line 100. Like that's just very boring if you were to do it in real life. So in like not the boring way, the smart way, in fact, is going to be just like Alan said, using a repeat loop. And in Python, I think, yes, very easy indeed. I think Roger mentioned a while loop. This is kind of like a while loop. Instead, in Python, it would look something like this. It's called a for loop if you've seen it before. Um, so this is basically repeats, and Python's the most straightforward way to demonstrate it. Yeah, for I in range. So this repeats it 100 times, print hello world, and then 2 other languages I've learned before, C++ and Java. So basically, for I is equal to 0, as long as I is less than 100, then you add 1 to I, and then you print hello world. So 100 times in 3 different languages, this is supposed to be what it's look like. So let's just take Python as an example. 2 lines of code. Actually, it can be even 1 line of code. I'll show you after. Compared to 100 lines of code, print hello world 100 times, you can just add 1 line of code. So 1 line of code, I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is Python. So what I did just then, 100, it's going to be print hello world. It's going to look something like this. Wait a minute. No, this isn't C++. Okay. Sorry about that. Colon. And then what's going to happen is instead, since this is just 1 line, there's no other conditional loops or something like that, you can just delete those 2 tabs and enter, and then you just have 1 line. And with this, just run this, and then you're going to see 100 hello worlds. Yeah. Ryan, you can't hear clearly. I don't think that's much of a surprise right now for me, because, like, are your parents around, or like you might want to ask somebody to help you with technical difficulties. And I am recording though, so you might want to, if you're like, if you can't hear me clearly, you can watch the recording, or you can, uh, I think it's better if you just fix it right now, if you can. So there's really nothing that I can do if you can't hear clearly, except tell you to fix it. So yeah, very sorry about that. And then, like, if it were to be C++, it would look something like this. So everything uses a for loop. And like Roger mentioned, if you were to use a while loop, then it would look something like while I is less than 100. And then you want to assign the variable I is equal to 0. While I is less than 100, then you print hello world. And you can go and show off to your parents after this, saying like, I know a bit of Python now, I know how to print something 100 times after this class, but that's your decision. That's completely on you, not me. And then you add 1 to I, plus equal to 1. So something like this. So same thing, it's going to give you 100 hello worlds, which looks very boring, but if you were to print I, then you would, oh, okay. Then, yeah, okay. If you were to print I, then you would just have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way into 99. But that's it. We're not here for learning Python. We are here to learn repeat loops. So after this is going to be another video, 3-minute long, I believe. So pretty sure everyone can hear clearly. Well, hopefully everyone can hear clearly. Sorry if you can't really hear it, Ryan, but that's I have nothing to do to fix it on your side. Okay, so okay, let's just watch the video for now.
Hi, it's Zappy again. Do you love doing the same thing over and over? I sure do, and robots are great at it. In fact, we love repeating actions so much that we even have a specific block for it. The repeat block tells me to read and follow the same instructions over and over. I'll read this for you. I am instructed to repeat myself 4 times. Let me look inside this repeat block to see what I'm instructed to repeat. Drive forward 2 meters, then turn right. But that was just round 1. I'm making sure I follow all the instructions in the block every time. So, round 2, drive forward 2 meters, then turn right. Round 3, drive forward 2 meters, then turn right. And round 4, drive forward 2 meters, then turn right. Whew, that was a lot, and I drove in a square. Hey, want to see a zigzag? Here's some code that a friend of mine wrote to make me go in a zigzag pattern. He instructed me to drive forward 2 meters, turn right, drive forward 2 meters, turn left, drive forward 2 meters, turn right, drive forward 2 meters, turn left, drive forward 2 meters, turn right, drive forward 2 meters, turn left. Fun! My friend worked really hard to program all these instructions in the code editor, and the code definitely makes me go in a zigzag pattern. But my friend really wanted me to zigzag 10 times, and that was way too many blocks to keep track of. Wait, I see a pattern. These same 4 steps repeat again and again and again. My friend could have put these 4 steps into a repeat loop. And change the number here to 10. I'm happy to read and follow the instructions as many times as my friends want. Go ahead, try to wear us out.
Okay, I will explain, hopefully not too much. So repeat loops, it's just like I showed you in the online IDE just then. Languages like C++, Java, Python, block coding have the same loop you can use to execute lines repeatedly. So like the video stated, it's a repeat loop. So basically the repeat loop does exactly what its name suggests, repeat the code inside it. So example, if you had like a drive forward 1 meters, 1 meter block, and inside of a repeat 10 times, then what would happen is your robot would drive forward 1 times 10 equals 10 meters. Like, repeat 10 times, drive forward 1 meter, and then you would drive forward 1 meter 10 times, and then 1 times 10 is 10. So yeah, that's basically how it works. And then mission 5, repeat your turn. This mission is basically and technically the same mission as the last mission, but you're supposed to use repeat loops. So remember, mission 4, spiral right. You're supposed to go in a spiral. Just it's like a parking lot. You go up, 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 turn, and then something like that. Basically, you can find a repeating set of blocks in the last mission. We already kind of discussed that just over here. So I'm just gonna give you, I don't think 7 minutes is, I think 7 minutes is a bit too much, but I'll just give you 7 minutes to do this. And you can explore the repeat loop if you want. Just purposely fall off the edge. Purposely fall off the edge. So let's say comment this all out, turn left, and then drive forward 3 meters. Something like, just purposely fall off, and then you can start using repeat loops to draw or something. I'm not sure if you have the set trail thing here. Okay, no, you don't. So what's gonna happen is you are just gonna go on the ground, and then you can experiment with repeat loops. So 7 minutes, yeah, good luck. Yeah, I think 7 minutes is definitely too much. So I'm just gonna give you like another minute, until 2:42, and then we'll move on. Okay, yeah. So that's 242. So basically mission 5, repeat analysis, and then pretty straightforward. So basically all you have is, all you have to do is drive forward 4 meters, turn left, and then wait for the button to slide into place. And then you just repeat it 3 or 4 times depending on how you want to code it. 4 times you use less blocks, but it's not as clear as the one on the left. So basically repeat 3 times, then you're going to face the target at the end, and then you can drive forward like just any distance as long as it hits the target, and then you're done. Or you can just repeat 4 times because you're going to drive forward 4 meters on the 4th run anyway. So yeah. So we are going to do a very short Kahoot. Well, I don't think it's 6 questions, but 2 other questions out of 8 are just 3 points, pretty much. So yeah. Let's just get to Kahoot. Hold on. No, I can't. I mean, like, I can hear you, but it is very cracked, so very, 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 very laggy on your side. Yeah, so it's an 8-minute. It's an 8-minute Kahoot. Well, no, not 8 minutes. More like 8 questions. So settings, show questions on player screen, and then classic mode. We can't really do T mode. So loading game pin. I hope everyone remembers how to join. Can you send me the link in chat? Yes, of course.
Looks like the screen is frozen.
The screen is frozen? Like, how frozen?
Frozen for just a second.
Oh. Okay, well, the link's in the chat for anyone who wants to join.
I made a chat. I made a space in my name. So yeah.
No, I don't think you can put.
That every time we have this class, someone's gonna have their name as Beluga. There's a possibility.
And I know who it is, but it's up to him to tell you if he is Beluga or not. I love Python. I'm guessing that's Roger. Spam bots. Beethoven. Okay, who plays the piano here?
Me. The viola.
Yeah, Viola.
I am sending 50 spam bots that do absolutely nothing but annoy you.
Oh my god, what just happened?
Aaron, stop it, Aaron. Okay, I'm gonna have to say.
I can't stop it. It's literally, you know what? I can't stop it. You know what? Never mind.
Okay, more stuff. Oh, what? What just happened? What just happened? Okay, I'm deleting all of them.
Start the game.
You know what? I'm too lazy to. More bots. Okay, at this point, I don't really care. They don't do anything but make the game a bit slower. Alright,
I don't know how he even did that.
don't know. Neither do I. Wait, where'd you get the script? Where'd you get the... No, the screen won't crash. Where'd you get the script? Okay, yeah, they're all gone. Lego Fish 16 CoderZ. 19 participants. Social Yak. Wait, weren't you here earlier? Oh wait, did I delete some actual people? Oh no, okay. Intruder, very nice. You have to remove all of them or it's gonna make everyone wait for them to answer. Well, 20 seconds, 100% real person. As long as it doesn't have a random name, then I'm okay with it. Alright, if you're not in, we will start now, so... Oh, wait, never mind.
Aaron, stop! I just said that in your chat.
I don't even know who those are.
Wait.
I actually don't know who they are.
I think you put
No,
on.
wait, I think they just named themselves. I just named them more stuff and they never came in. And then now they're all of a sudden the stuff
I had to literally tell him to stop.
Who has the script? I'm serious.
Oh, by the way, I got a question. Why is your like your mouse, when you click on something, it looks like you can just type on it. Also,
Oh.
I don't know what social
Oh.
I didn't do it.
Shoot. 5, 6. Wait, who's this?
I have no idea.
Who named themselves Social Yak?
How to name
What happened in this Kahoot is cursed?
it. I don't know how to name it in Kahoot. I just jumped out another name.
Oh, if you were asking how, if it, oh no, wait. I am,
How does this website work way better than I intended to? I thought it was just gonna send like money. And it sends in 50. They don't do anything but annoy you, okay?
It's okay. I'm gonna have to tell you again.
I think I removed some people. I just spam clicked. Someone's hacking. You know what? I'm out. Out. Okay. I'm restarting the Kahoot. And this time, hopefully, no one's gonna hack it.
Can you start and get the link again because you get me
I
out?
will hack it. I will hack it.
You can make a participant limit. You can make it so only 18 people can join.
Okay, I don't know how to do that actually, because I hadn't had much.
I get out of the. You get. Yeah. Another link. Can you give me another link?
Yeah, the other link's in the chat.
Okay. That's not a link.
I accidentally named myself Eat.
That,
I am going to name myself Hi because I like to say hi. So say hi to 50 highs.
Now I'm gonna have.
Oh
Oh my god! I have to.
Wait, who did this? Who did this?
Aaron, wait. He did it.
I am locking this. I'm locking. I'm locking. Okay, starting. Locked it. Someone's buying the Kahoot. Yes, I know.
I think someone.
That's why I locked this thing. Was class easy, 3 points. This time it's single select though.
You did single code some last time or something.
Yeah. 12 answers. Okay, 13 answers. Skip. 13 people.
Sandbots do actually
Rather not say.
nothing.
Okay.
except
Yes,
for
they do.
annoying.
They do nothing. I
Yeah.
love Python. I am
So
guessing
we
that's
go.
Roger again. True or false? We only introduced the repeat block.
No, wait, forgot.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 13. Okay. Yes, it is false. We introduced the wait block. Yeah. ARGs. Yes. Very ARG.
I'm just sending 100 spam bots next time. All you need to
Then
do
we
is
are not having a
press
Kahoot. I'm serious. It's gonna lag everyone's computer.
Yeah.
I love Python. Okay. Wait for block uses seconds as its unit. Okay, I'm looking for
This
13.
is 100% true.
11, 12. Skip.
100% true, man.
False. Yes.
Yeah.
It uses milliseconds. Answer streak. It's not that hard actually. How do we determine the amount of milliseconds knowing the amount of seconds? Remember, milliseconds is ms, and seconds is just seconds. None of the above. Seconds times 10, second times 100, or second times 1000.
Clicked the wrong answer. I accidentally clicked the wrong answer, even though I knew the answer.
Stop spamming. Stop spamming.
I accidentally clicked the wrong answer, even though I knew the actual answer.
Okay, that's I don't blame you. Liliana, E8 and SUIT.
I thought it was called SUV.
How many milliseconds is in 1 minute?
Kind of obvious.
Remember, seconds is milliseconds divided, times 1000. Divided by 1000. 13, okay. Yeah, 60,000. 60 seconds in a minute, 60 times 1000, 60,000. 1000, it's not in a second, it's in a minute. And stop spamming E's. I'm serious. Rushy? Nah. Not even close. E8 first now. It gets boring repeating the same task over and over again. True or false? 13 answers.
This is more like opinion.
Well, true, but like what we covered in class. How would you feel if you had to repeat the same print hello world 1000 times?
I would just use copy and paste, man.
Okay.
Bruh. Opinion.
Okay. Pretty much no change. Quiz, what is the so-called smart way that we mentioned in class? So repeating the same line over and over again, which we just covered, using a repeat loop, not sure, using an if statement. Which we actually won't really cover. We totally forgot
What's a repeat loop again?
We totally didn't cover this in class.
We totally covered this in class.
12. Using a repeat loop. Yeah, no one got it wrong. Good. 7 correct answers. Next question, I think you're all familiar with it. Quiz, what did you enjoy class? Yes. I will be offended if you don't pick yes.
I picked.
Honestly, I don't really care as long as you don't pick no. You can pick anything, but yeah. 12. Hey, why is there only 12 now?
The podium.
Yes. Okay.
Darn it!
No. Ouch.
Oh,
Rather not say.
Leanna is third place or something.
Very sorry.
Yeah.
Really?
And I
Can you
forgot.
do it again?
Yeah. Okay, who's first and who's second?
I'm
both-
first.
I'm second.
Okay, can you put your names? From now on, I'm just gonna post in Google Classroom the Kahoot winners.
Okay.
Can we do this again?
Alright, post in chat, private message to me what your names are for first and second, cause I can't really. Okay, Ryan and Ludian. Okay, yeah. Can we do this again? Sure, as long as you don't spam bots, okay? Yes.
Don't do that because I'm a bad person at coding, and I'm a terrible person at hacking.
Classroom. Alright, oh wait, no, wrong account.
哎呀，哎呀，哎呀，快点！就配城市。
Okay, I posted it on Google Classroom. You can go brag to your parents after this class. LOL. Okay, next, let's play again as some of you suggested. Hey, what the heck?
Oh, this stuff.
Those
They're
are
all
ghosts. They
ghosts.
have to rejoin.
You
Oh
have
my
to
I want to
God.
rejoin.
rejoin. I can't see, man.
Whoa,
Yeah.
that's way too much.
Okay. Dang. What the heck? Come. Yeah. Again.
Not
Okay,
Among Us.
I don't
Why do we
think
have to?
we can do any bots.
Let's just hope that no one tries to spam this thing.
Okay, I'll spam it.
Dude, no.
No, no, no. If you spam it, I'm not gonna start it.
Also, I don't know how to spam.
My plan is to stop the Kahoot.
Weren't you? Wait, no, you weren't the one who suggested do it again. So this is the.
Right,
Can I do it
right,
again?
right one.
I kind of want to do it again.
Right when 16 people join, lock it.
16. Last time it was just 13 max. I don't think FBI. Okay, whatever. Alan, Liliana. Okay, no. LOL. Lol. Okay. Oh yeah, by the way, this is just a repeat. You don't have to join this, so if you want to leave, you can leave. I will stay after class for like 5 minutes or so, to answer any questions.
Or
Like if you want me to
lol.
if you want me to. Oh no 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 no
I'm
no no no
laughing
no.
out loud.
My God, Aaron, no.
It's just a prank. It's not like it hurt.
What's class ET? Okay, I'm just gonna. 2 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next.
Easy.